Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to draw Puppy, the main character of the Puppy series. If you don't know who I'm talking about this guy right here in the center. That guy right there. I'm going to show you how to do it. Well, I don't know if I could do how to draw. I'm not one of those how to draw characters or people. But I could try to show you how to draw him. I mean, the only problem is his ears are super hard to draw. I'm not making that realistic for him. I'm talking about the cartoony design of him. It used to be super easy, but now it's got, like, it's his ears. They're super hard to get perfectly right. I guess so. That looks horrible. We're gonna have to go with it. So first we're just gonna cut. You know, he has black eyes, huge black eyes. Don't forget the nose and a line and the smile. He doesn't look that bad other than this side being horribly drawn, but we're gonna have to roll with it, and I'll show you a good looking one. It does take many attempts to get correct, but it will soon be good enough to look like him. The body is one of the key designs of him. I'm gonna actually go and get him in this wall. He's not in this wall. He's in the other wall. This wall right here. This isn't what he actually looks like. He has a brown collar instead of this blue one, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. You can see here what's a goodly drawn action pose. Oh, come on, I hate this tripod. You see how horribly built this tripod was. You can see how it's supposed to look compared to this. Now, what I would do, well, I don't know what the pose should be. I'll be right back when I get this solved. Try to show you how that happens. After 300 attempts, I finally got to the point where I could actually get there. It's just stupid ears and oh, come on. I really hate this tripod. I hope I can find them. I don't even have money, so I can't buy a tripod. See, look at this. What is this? I can literally not get this thing to stay in one place. Finally got it there. So I'm not gonna do this pose. I'm gonna do the pose in the other drawing over there in the poster. So yeah, I don't know if I should do this a tutorial or me drawing him, but yeah. So first, we're going to need an arm like this. It's not really, you know, I'm gonna go with this pose. So that's the pose he's always gonna be in. That heroic kind of guy, you know. Now his body's actually way easier. Well, it looks super simple. This camera. I hate this tripod. Literally does not stay in place. I'm just gonna use this guy to hold it.
He's James, but I need to draw him.
Okay, that's not helping. Nothing will fix this stupid tripod. There's no way to, like, really make it fix. I'm gonna just hold the camera actually. Show you what I see, but not really. So we want to get that pose to look good. Try to solve the tripod. Just doing that. Trying to get the pose correct. You have to make it look as good as you can, so you won't look like, oh my god, I hate this. See, I just hate this. Look at this. This is one of my worst videos. Just the stupid tripod ruins everything. I'm just gonna title this video as a failed video because it's trying to draw a character. Of course, he is not that easy to draw at all. But no, the stupid tripod won't even like stay in place. Look, it's literally falling over. And now I can't see what I'm drawing. Stupid thing. Wow. This is a failed video. I'm just gonna have to hold the tripod so that it doesn't drop at all. See, this is starting to look like. Don't forget his tail. He has stubs for feet. Looks like he's just trying to put his hands behind his body, which doesn't look correct. Look at this. Not even. Man, I can't record with this stupid thing. This thing is starting to become garbage. This video is literally 7 minutes long. What? It's a stupid tripod. You don't want his hands to go that behind. You want it. That looks more like it. Well, I don't think this is a tutorial. This is more of me drawing character. Might do more of these videos if I get a better tripod. But yeah. And I'm gonna color him in 3, 2, 1, and that is colored. See, it's not supposed to have a blue scarf, it's supposed to have a brown scarf. You might be thinking, well, it's blue and brown. This is the original version of this guy. I might upload the video, but it's not a good video. It wasn't even meant for YouTube. I don't know. I guess I was just testing. I don't have him right now. I don't even have him at all anymore. That was like 4 years ago since I had him. And now, well, this is what he used to look like. Of course, he was tan instead of yellow. He used to be yellow, but, you know, over time, over the years, they'll turn tan. Of course, I had him tan, but I guess so. He used to be yellow. This one was poorly colored. This one has, well, it has some gaps. Yeah, this video has become a 9-minute long video, so yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I don't know why. Just the tripod won't stay in place. I'm probably gonna do videos without